If you live in South Dakota, you know the weather never asks permission. One day it's sunny, the next it's a blizzard, and the wind, well, we know the wind. And that's why this swim spa is in the garage. Let's check it out. No bugs, no wind, and no snow shoveling. Just come out, open the cover, and relax. The garage protects it, keeps it warm, and super low maintenance. People ask, can I really put a swim spa in a garage? Absolutely. There's only 3 things we need to figure out, and that is ventilation, power, and drainage, and we help with all of that. So if you have the space, it is doable. Now, our customer didn't want to go on camera, but she did tell us that this is the best thing she has done in years. She uses this all the time, after work, at night, during storms. She really loves that she can come out here in the middle of winter and exercise whenever she wants. This is her sanctuary, her peaceful place where there's no noise, no weather. It's just heat and calm and quiet. So if you are thinking about a spa, but you just hate the idea of it sitting in a frozen backyard, this is it. This works because South Dakota weather doesn't care about your plans. This just works, and it works in every season. Let's make every day better.